Sadly, marami sa bansa natin ang hiwalay na sa asawa. Kaya marami rin ang nagtatawag na i-legalize ang divorce sa Pilipinas. Kasama rin ako sa mga nagtatawag na yon. Dati. What changed? Watch this video to find out. The legalization of divorce is a hot topic here in the Philippines, and frankly, I take no pleasure talking about it because of the sensitivity of the topic. Pero kung gusto mong mabago ang puso at isipan ng kapwa mo, dapat nating pag-usapan ang mga ganitong sensitive na topics. I'm Jay Orga, author of the book Conservative Ka Ba? A 3-Step Approach to Protecting the Filipino Family from Woke Ideology. And I used to be pro-legalization of divorce here in the Philippines. Listen to my story with an open heart and mind. If you stick until the end of the video, I'll let you know what convinced me to make a turn. It's a book and I will tell you where you can download it for free. Kamakailan lang, may family member akong nagulat na linalabanan ko ang legalization of divorce sa Pilipinas kasi pinaalala niya sa akin ang sinabi ko sa kanya noon. Nung time na hindi maganda ang sitwasyon nila ng husband niya, naghiwalay sila noon. After she reconciled with what I thought then was a good-for-nothing husband, sinabihan ko siya na nakalaya ka na, bumalik ka pa. And nainis ako sa kanya noon. I was advocating for them to leave each other permanently. Nung bumalik siya sa kanyang piling, napa-facepalm na lang ako. Bukod dyan ay may isa pa akong kaibigan na babaeng may asawa na yung asawa niya sumakabilang bahay. They went their separate ways during her second pregnancy. Imaginein mo, buntis ang asawa mo sa pangalawa niyang anak tapos dun ka nagloko. Hindi lang yan. May anak din si lalaki dun sa isang girl lalo. Nasaksihan ko ang sigawan ng husband at ang biyenan niyang lalaki habang pinapalayas itong nangalun niyang asawa sa bahay nila. Again, in my mind, my friend should be free from this guy. Huwag na siyang makipagbalikan dito kahit na lumuhod pa ito at magmakaawa. Aside from these two friends of mine, I have heard my fair share of shoutfest in our small barrio in Bulacan. May mga gabi na makakadinig ka ng nagsisigawan sa labas ng kalsada. Either lasing or addict ang asawa. Hindi napapahinga ang mga barangay tanod sa baryo namin noon. I wish there's legalized divorce in the Philippines back then, just to save my friends and neighbors from heartbreak. Atheist pa ako nung time na yon. Ito din siguro ang dahilan bakit against ako sa turo ng simbahan about divorce. Lumipas ang maraming taon, hindi ko masyadong pinag-isipan ng subject. I already reverted back to Catholicism and was listening to a Catholic podcast. I remember listening to a podcast by Timmery Millington entitled Trending with Timmery. At pinapakinggan ko itong podcast na ito habang nagmamaneho pauwi galing work. In one episode, her guest was a woman named Leila Miller. She talked about her book, Primal Loss, The Now Adult Children of Divorce Speak. The title speaks for itself. Maraming adults sa US ngayon ang broken. They're walking wounded individuals, and mostly because of the trauma they experienced from their parents' divorce. Never kong nadinig ang angle na ito all my life. Children are resilient. Diba? Yan ang sinasabi nila sa atin. Pwede kang magbato ng kahit na anong problema o pagsubok sa buhay ng isang bata and they'll shrug it off, no problem. Yun ang iniisip ko noon. Hindi ko alam na maraming adults sa US ang hindi nakarecover mula sa divorce ng parents nila nung bata pa sila. It affected them for the rest of their lives. Alam mo ang ginawa ko after hearing Leila Miller on Timmery's podcast? Gumilid ako sa kalsada at binili ko ang aklat ni Leila Miller on Kindle. Matapos ko mabasa ang libro, and of course, hindi ko binasa ang libro sa gilid ng kalsada. Nakauwi na ako nung binasa ko ang libro.
Thanks, Captain Obvious.
Pero after ko itong basahin, ang hiling ko ay sana marami pang Pilipino ang makabasa ng librong ito. Nagsimula nang magbago ang pananaw ko on divorce while reading the book. So let me read some of the quotes from the book. Sabi ng isang adult child of divorce, "My parents' divorce has made me struggle with the idea of marriage, wondering if they can't make it work. Will I be able to get married and make it work? Almost like I'm afraid it's genetic." Sabi pa ng isa, "One effect of divorce is that the child can become overly aware of his parents' feelings about the subject and bend over backwards to stay on the narrow halfway line between his parents. Every word and action is measured in one's mind so as not to provide the slightest offense to either parent. One becomes a referee, at least in feeling. I still haven't entirely moved past this." Sabi pa ng isa, "If scientists and other experts had reliable data untainted by ideology, they would have sounded the alarm long before I was born. Everything the smart people think they know is wrong. Stop divorce any way you can." At ito yung last na babasahin ko, marami pang ibang quotable quotes sa aklat. "Kids, young kids especially, won't see it coming. I didn't. Kids don't remember fights and angry looks at each other. What they will remember is the day that mommy and daddy sat them down and told them they're getting divorced. They will know the day, the time, what they were wearing, the chair they sat in, everything. At this point, let me pause. If you think this story is worth sharing, please share it to them. If you hunger for more contents like this that aim to take back the culture from the ideological colonization of the West, please subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. It will greatly help our podcast to grow. How about you? What's your stand on divorce? Please let me know on the comment section. All I ask is to keep the discussion civil. Moving on, after reading the book, some years go by as well. I was then convinced that divorce is bad. Ang problema lang, I can't openly talk about it on social media because it's a touchy subject and my Facebook friends, nagagalit sila. Lagi akong nakakatanggap ng negative comment kapag ito ang topic ko sa Facebook. I was blessed to be able to interview Layla Miller herself to discuss her book, Primal Loss. Not only that, I discovered this book called Them Before Us by Katie Faust and Stacey Manning. If Primal Loss delivers the heart and emotion of the message, Them Before Us delivers the punch and statistics why divorce is bad for the society. Divorce is the main driver for fatherlessness in America, and according to statistics gathered by the Fatherless Foundation, 1 out of 3 children grows up without their biological father in their home. 71% of fatherless children drop out of high school. Fatherless children are 5 times more likely to commit suicide. They're 32 times more likely to run away, 10 times more likely to abuse a chemical substance, 20 times more likely to end up in prison. In 2008, the Institute for American Values conducted the only study to date intended to estimate the cost of family breakdown to the taxpayers. Children living apart from one or both parents cost the U.S. $112 billion a year, enough to power the economies of Nicaragua, Namibia, Mozambique, Madagascar, Mongolia, Macedonia, Rwanda, the Congo, Malawi, Botswana, and Afghanistan for a year. This is because of the welfare benefits such as housing assistance, educational assistance, transportation, food stamps, childcare reimbursement, Medicaid benefits are higher with more broken families than when there are more intact families. There are researches that say there's a risk of recurring adulthood depression and increased likelihood children will develop a bipolar disorder. There are also researches that say divorce increases suicide attempts, and another one that says childhood trauma, divorce included, can lead to lifelong chronic illnesses. Of course, there's a research that say their academics will suffer. By the way, alam kong maaari mong itanong, paano yung binubugbog ng asawa? Hindi ko sinasabing huwag paghiwalayin at all cost physically ang mag-asawa kahit na ang isa ay in danger na maging ang mga anak nila. Well, I guess ito ang dahilan kung bakit may legal separation at annulment sa batas natin, di ba? Para saan ang mga yon kung hindi sa mga hard cases na ito? Sa legal separation ay pinaghiwalay ang mag-asawa, ngunit hindi nadidissolve ang marriage. Dahil syempre hindi naman nagwawakas ang pagiging nanay at tatay nila sa kanilang mga anak. And sa legal separation, nandyan pa rin ang hope for reconciliation and healing. Bago nyo sabihin pareho lang ang divorce sa annulment ay may defect sa simula pa lang ng marriage that could render the whole marriage null and void. Sa divorce, ang mentality dito is may usapan tayo, may sinumpaan tayo, may kontrata tayo, baliwalain natin lahat nun. Nalala niyo yung dalawang kaibigan kong inadvisean ko na iwan ang asawa nila permanently? Salamat sa Diyos at hindi nila sinunod ang advice ko. Yung isa ay nasa US na, nag-reconcile sila, happy and touring the US with each other. The other one now has 4 kids. Ang isa doon is the child of the husband from the other woman. They sought healing and forgiveness. And I see them now with a successful business. Had divorce been available for them in the past, they wouldn't know that the future holds happiness, joy, and reconciliation for them. Their story would have ended in the middle. Minsan gusto nating gayahin ang West dahil sa ating pananaw, ito ang progressive na kultura. Ang di natin nakikita ay available na din naman na ang effects and results ng progressive culture nila. Kailangan lang natin magsaliksik. Woke, anti-family, anti-marriage values are progressive the same way Buni is progressive. Di ba nag-promise ako ng free ebook sa start ng video? Eto na yon. Layla Miller has been gracious enough to give us a free copy of Primal Laws, which you can download from laylamiller.net/primallawspdf. Again, laylamiller.net/primallawspdf. We always talk about the negative effects of divorce in the society here in the podcast, a subject no mainstream news organization in the Philippines dare talk about. This video is not enough to list down all the negative effects of divorce in the society. The good thing is I made an entire video for that. You can check it out right here.